Good morning, David here, US crude look, 24th of March, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're looking at US light crude, Brent crude, US crude oil contract, and we've got a daily bar chart, the monthly one, and you can see here level at $39, $40, obviously important. Obviously, the last preceding that, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 months falling with a doji candle here on a monthly basis. Now we're getting this reaction back up. 39 is the important level on the monthly chart. Pop down into the weekly, and you see obviously we had a weekly close above it, which is bullish. Obviously we've got a falling weekly trend line here, that obviously this is the second week we've been closed above it. Will we run back up to the 50-week moving average here at 45, or next level above that is obviously $50 a barrel. My feeling is that obviously we need to come back and retest this 39 level, look for a close below this on a weekly basis. Next week will be the crucial one, last week of March, then coming to April, and then that will give us an idea of whether we're then going back to test the $31, or obviously we can get some sideways action. On the daily chart here, you can see here that where this price action here, where we're testing, this is the swing low here from August of last year, $39. See here, we failed to break through these twice here in December, had to go again here beginning of March, obviously popped up above it. We've now failed to go high. We're coming back. We need to come back and test this level at 39, perhaps come down to 37, and then obviously that will kick us off, whether we're then going back up here to test this $50 mark, or obviously we're heading back down to 32. On the reverse of that, if you play the US with the Canadian dollar, you can see a similar pattern on here. Obviously Canadian is obviously dependent on oil. You can see here that obviously we've had the reverse. We've had the fall of the Canadian dollar against the US dollar, which obviously follows what's happening in oil. And you can see here on a weekly basis, this trend line has been in place for 2 years. And you can see here that we've just come back to test it, and we've now come up on this green candle, close above it. And obviously you can see this on the daily basis here. So obviously similar with oil, it's a turning point. Obviously if the oil then would go back up, we're looking at a target 13,500.